Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Today I want to talk about some serious concerns that have been raised regarding the new laws in our country. If you have yet not subscribed to our channel, kindly do and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. These laws have been passed without adequate discussion or debate in Parliament, and there are fears that they could lead us towards a police state. One of the major issues with these new laws is the lack of provisions to hold police accountable for false cases. This opens the door for these laws to be misused against citizens, which is a very troubling thought. We must call for the genuine decolonization of our legal system to prevent such misuse. Comparisons have been made between these new laws and the colonial era Rowlatt Act of 1919. It's alarming to think that we might be regressing rather than progressing. These laws were passed when about 145 members of parliament were suspended, which raises questions about the democratic process in the country. The new laws grant extensive powers to the police, allowing them to handcuff any accused individual and extend police remand from 15 days to up to 90 days. This complicates the legal process and threatens our civil liberties. The broadened definition of terrorism under these new laws is also a point of contention. The shift from innocent until proven guilty to guilty until proven innocent is a dangerous precedent. It's essential that we stay vigilant and hold our government accountable to ensure that our rights and liberties are protected. Let's stay informed and united in our efforts to protect our civil liberties. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.